I'll show you a tutorial. Hey guys, 한국 좋아하는 나 인도 사람. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and if you're already here, welcome. Okay, so before starting today's video, I just want to say that today I've done this no makeup look, and if you guys are interested, I'll be sharing with you a tutorial on how to do that. And I've done this look today because I want to show you my skin's an important step of Korean skincare routine or any skincare routine that is toning your skin. So today I'll be sharing with you the toners that I have used throughout my journey of skincare. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching. So toning is a very important step in any skincare routine. What does toning means is basically toning the skin, that is preparing your skin for the further steps of the skincare routine. Today I'll show you all the toners that I have used throughout my journey, and most of them are Korean. Actually, all of them are Korean because I started doing or taking care of my skin with Korean products, and I've stuck to it. I've just changed brands just to try out what suits better or what can be the best. Okay, the first toner that I'm going to talk about is the Wonder Pore Freshener by Etude House. This was my first toner in 2016 when I began doing skincare, and this is my repurchase, which is also done. And this is by far a very good toner for someone with extremely oily skin like me. And if you do have oily skin, this is a very good toner, but the con is that it has alcohol in it, so it can dry out your skin a little bit. But since my skin is oily, so it works perfectly for me, and you can just use it with a cotton pad. You just and clean your skin away. It feels really good. Now here it says that it does pore minimization, which I don't believe because I haven't seen much of a change. But yeah, it takes care of the skin, it removes dead cells, and it makes you feel fresh. That's what it is about, and it's a really good toner if you want to invest in toners or start up with a Korean toner. It was not available on Nykaa back then, but now it is, and I purchased it from there. It is 250 ml is for 900 rupees. I have observed that I had less breakouts when I was using this. I just switched out because I wanted to try more, but if I have to stick to one, I would definitely suggest this one. And 900 rupees might seem a little bit costly to you if you are someone who does not like affording skincare, but this is actually good. It will definitely last you for 4 to 5 months if you use it regularly as well. So this is a very good product for someone with an oily skin or with acne breakouts. The next toner I'm going to talk about is the Jeju Volcanic Lava Pore Toner from the Volcanic Lava range. This is around for, I guess, 1200 something rupees. I have used it. It is pretty good if you have acne and oily skin in general, but it didn't work out as good as the Etude House one for me, but it is a good one if you want to invest a little bit more. And it does what it says, that is, it cleans the pores very nicely. So you can just use it with a cotton pad, or you can just dab it and clean it off. Okay, so the next toner that I'm going to talk about is also from the Face Shop. It is their White Seed range toner, and this costs for around like 1950 if you want to purchase. It is available on Nykaa. I'll link it down below, as well as the official website. And for this toner, I would say it does what it says. I really had a very good and bright skin back then. It says it's a brightening toner and it provides hydration, bright moisture. That's what it does. It is a really good toner. It's a little bit on the expensive side, but if you are ready to invest and want glowing, healthy skin, I would definitely suggest this one. The next toner that I'm going to talk about is by Innisfree, and it is from the green tea seed range, and I've been using it currently. As you can see, I'm done with half of the bottle, and what I have to say about is that I purchased it when I tried the green tea seed serum, which is one of their most famous products. And this toner is quite a bit disappointing to me because it does not seem to be helping me as the other ones. I cannot see much of a change. I'm breaking out still. Maybe it is because of the weather, but for me, I don't think so. It works for the price that it has been put for. It is like for 1400 rupees, and this seems a little bit costly for what it does. It does not help me that much. Maybe it's because I have oily skin. Maybe it works for someone else with a different skin type. So you can try it based on your skin type or the reviews that are given on the websites. It is also available on Nykaa and the official website, so you can check it out if you think. And this is just my opinion about it, and I'm just waiting for it to finish off so I can just switch back to some other toner. So if you want to give it a try, do try it. Okay, so there's one more toner that I want to talk about, and that is by Dear Klairs. It is their supple preparation toner, which I really loved and enjoyed. I had used the samples and I'm waiting for it to restock so that I can purchase it. It is priced for 1350, and you can also buy, if you want to try the Klairs toner, there is a kind of samples that are available on beautybarn.in, which is a website that I order from as well. I link it down below, and you can purchase the small sample sizes of all these products from there. There's a whole set of sample products that you get for really cheap, like 250 or 300 rupees. So you can try all these products for once or twice so that you know that whether you can invest it or not. That's it for the toners that I've used. And yeah, so you can see that there is not much I have invested in toners. I have tried some different toners in the mid, but throughout these 4 years, these have been the main toners that I have used. And toners is something that might seem expensive, but they are important and they last for a very long time since they are watery in consistency, and it's quite affordable if you see it from a broader perspective. So I would suggest that you do invest in a toners. Toners are of different types. Some toners are like skin, like the Innisfree ones. They are a bit somewhat like, you don't have to wipe them off. You just have to make a very thin layer and tap it in your skin. And some are just to wipe off the dirt, like the Etude House one. So you can choose based on your preference and your skin type. And yeah, if you want to be aware of whether to spend your money or not, you can just invest in sample size products. Korean products do have a lot of samples that you can get as freebies, or you can order as well for affordable price. And if you have any suggestions, or you want me to review a particular product, or you want a review of a particular product, you can ask me in the comments down below. And I hope you liked today's video. Please do like, share and subscribe. So that's it for the toners today, and I hope that my review helps you if you're going to start off your skincare at this moment, or if you've been doing skincare and you wanted reviews of these products. I hope my review helps you. I'll be reviewing a lot of Korean products in future and keep exploring them for you so that you know that where to invest your money and whether these products actually work or not. These are all products that I have actually personally used. So I hope that it helps you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.